Right then guys, so today I'm going to show you how to reset the service on a Mercedes GLE. So that's the warning on the dash telling us we need to do a reset. Obviously we've done a service. Now what I'm going to do is just turn the ignition on. I'm going to show you, if I click here on the home button, it'll pull up a menu on the dash. Now where this assist is by here, so on the left hand side there should be another menu that says workshop. Now what we need to do, we need to access that menu. So we're going to turn the ignition off. Just there you go. Now it's all the way on and we turned it off. So now what we're going to do is we're going to press the button once lightly just to turn the first stage of the ignition on. You can see here now obviously there's the menu, so we're going to slide through till we get to trip. And we're going to select that so the trip is showing. Now what we're going to do is we're going to press the center button and the return button at the same time, these two by here on the steering wheel, and we're going to press and hold it for 5 seconds. You can hold it for a little bit longer. I'd go longer rather than shorter. Once we've done that, then we're going to turn the ignition to the next stage, which obviously turns the ignition on for the vehicle. And then we're going to go back to that menu. You can see the service warning still on there. We're going to go back to the menu and then we're going to scroll across, and then as you can see, workshop has now appeared. So we're going to click on that. Now what we want to do is go scroll down to Assist Plus. I'm going to click on that, and then we're going to go down and click on Full Service. Now obviously now it'll show there service 2. Obviously it's B service, which is service 2. So we're going to scroll down and confirm service. You don't have to select them, just click on confirm service. And then you select your oil grade. Now look on the can of the oil you've used, and obviously it should tell you what your grade is. Ours is 22971 or 0.71. And then it wants us to confirm obviously the oil grade, so yes, and then confirm the service. Yes, confirm, and then it's come up that it's completed. So it's that simple, guys. It's all done through the dash. Really simple. Obviously it's just getting that menu available, and that's all it. So yeah, as you can see, then we'll go back to trip and we'll turn it all off, and if we turn the ignition off and then turn it back on, you should see when we come back on, there you go. When the ignition comes back on now, it's no longer asking us for a service. So that's it all done. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helps.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.